All right, let's look at the homework 10, problem number 2. All right, so we want to draw a cube and split it into 3 identical pyramids. All right, so let's do that. All right, open up SketchUp and get rid of the person here. All right, so we have to draw a cube. So what we can do is probably go to rectangle tool and maybe just click on the origin and pull up a little bit, and we can just say 5 feet comma and 5 feet and hit enter. Right, so this gives us the a square here. Right, so all we have to do is again use this push or pull tool to pull up, then we say 5 feet and hit enter. Right, so now we have a cube. Right, so what we want to do is we want to cut the pyramid out so that we'll split this into 3 identical pyramid. Right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing I want to do is let's see. So I'm going to cut out the pyramid. So here, let's see. I'm going to use this as a base, right? Then I'm going to cut it maybe like this, and then like this, and like that, right? So I'm gonna just draw a line from here to there, and here to there, and here to there. So let's try that and see if it works. So I'm gonna here cut that from here to there, right? Then here to there, right? Then it's right now we can't really see inside. So what we can do is we can go to view and face style. Then probably X-ray might be a good thing. So put X-ray. So see, you can see inside, right? So what we can do is I'm going to draw a segment from this vertex to that vertex. That's going to be inside the cube there. All right, then what we can do is we're going to separate this part from the rest of it. All right. All right, so first we have to make a group or component. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click all the faces of the part that you're pulling out. So I'm going to click here, right? And then hold the control key down and click another one. Because if you don't do that, if you click another one and you don't keep the first two. So hold down the control key and we have that and we have that. Then we need to go inside. So for example, so zoom in. So once you pierce through the face of the box, and is it in there? All right, now it's in there. So we're gonna choose this face and also that face, and I'm gonna pull back. All right, so you have this guy right here. All right, now I'm going to use a right click, then make group. Right, then what you can do is this move tool. Right, then we can just click anywhere really. So I'll just click on the corner, hold it, and then pull it out. Right, so we have that. Right, so now we pull the one out. So that's a first pyramid here. All right, so by doing that, we loses the line segment. So I'm going to put the line segment back in. All right, so here's a line segment. All right, then we just have to separate these two. So I guess we just need to, let's see, where should we cut? All right, maybe we should cut it here. All right, so I'm going to just put another segment from here to there, right? Then we're going to just, pull it out. So let's see, I'm going to I'm going to go inside, then click on this inside one. So I'm going to go in, and it changes color, so we'll know when it goes in. Yep, it changes color, so I'm going to choose that and pull back. All right, see we're right. Then we're going to hold the control key down. So I want this one, and I want that one, right? Then right click and make group, right? Then we're going to use the move tool to move this guy out, right? Then let's see, we have, whoop, let's see. Oh, actually, I missed the one of the face there. So let's see, is it in there? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get rid of use the eraser to get rid of this and get rid of that. All right. So we have these guys, right? They are all identical, but are they? Right? They look pretty identical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this is identical. All right. So I'm going to put them, maybe put them right onto each other. Right. So for example, so I'm going to put this guy and rotate it and put it in here, and rotate this guy and put it in here. So how do we do that? Right. So first, I'm going to let's rotate this one. Right. So I'm going to do the rotate tool. Right. Then go here. Right. So I'm going to rotate about a green axis. Then we can just do a arrow keys to change it to the green. Right. So I'm going to go click on here. So that's the center. Then I'm going to click here and then start rotating. So if you want the 90 degrees, we can just type in 90 degrees and enter. So it goes here. All right. So you can see that if you move this, sorry, that's not what I want to do. If you want to move this guy over here, right? So you can see that it's right, it's we just need to make sure to fit them, so we have to rotate it a little bit more, right? So we just need to rotate it this way so that it fits, right? So let's do that. So rotate tool and then go here, right? And we want the blue one, right? Because we want to rotate it along the blue. So here, blue, right? Then we're gonna rotate it like that. Right? Right, then what we can do is make sure that they are actually the same. Let's see, identical. All right, I'm going to let's see, go this area out here. All right, I'm going to make this a component too. I'll make a group. All right, then here we have a group here. So I'm going to just move this guy right here and move it right onto here, right? So you can see now, we can see that those two pyramids are identical, right? So we're gonna have to do the same thing here, and let's see. So I'm going to rotate. So I'm gonna do the rotate tool, and here, I'm gonna rotate it along the red one. So here, so rotate here. I'm going to use the arrow key to change to red one. And then I'm going to rotate this way. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm working on a different one. Right, so here, I'm going to rotate this one. Right, so I'm going to do the red one. Right, then rotate here this way, 90 degrees. Right, then we can just move it a little bit closer so that we can compare. Right, and we can just rotate it a little bit more so that it will fit. So let's do that. So I'm gonna do a rotation again, right here, and I'm gonna probably do the blue one again, right? Then click here, and then I just need to rotate it 90 degrees there, right? Then after that, we can simply move this guy right in, right? All right, now you can see that all three guys coincide with each other. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.